Kunimitsu with I think straight 2 beats, right? Okay, you know what I mean to say. Okay,
Yeah.
so what is your thoughts on Kunimitsu now? I think you observed something with her that you feel
What
she
I
is stronger
meant
now or she was stronger back in Tekken Tag 2. What is your thoughts?
I just tweeted yesterday. I
Yes.
think yesterday or the day after tomorrow.
Yes,
I
yes.
thought that I still think that Tekken Tag to Kunimitsu are much better than
Because of the
Tekken
range?
7. Tekken 7 and Kunimitsu got some very good mix-ups, very good 50-50, very good gimmicks, and stuff like that. But our basic game is not good. Our basic game is like
Because in the end, the basic games matters the most, right?
yeah. The basic
Like a
game.
basic character, like we can say Kazumi is the basic character. If you want to play Tekken, many people said to me, you need to play Kazumi first because she is the character who have everything
I
to
think
learn.
Kazumi and Geese
Geese,
and Steve
but Geese,
are very basic characters and who has very
Everything.
strong fundamentals. Not
everything to
They don't
learn.
have
50-50 and basic game and everything they
50-50
have.
you cannot say. Geese doesn't have a good 50-50. Geese doesn't have any 50-50. You can say. Also, Kazumi 50-50 is very risky.
Yes.
So it's not like 50-50. They are just very
Basic game and
strong
defensive characters.
fundamental characters. So those such characters are very. You can
Yes.
play such characters are reliable. You can say such characters are reliable. Universu, he's just like I think in tournament. We talk about in tournament.
She is good when it comes to
like,
tournament.
Before top 16, she is good, but above top 20 or top 16, she is not good. Only if I find a good matchup, only then. I think with characters against characters like Steve against characters like Geese and also Fakumram goes very good basic game.
Yes.
Also Lidoi got very good basic game. Against character like that, she's very good. That's my opinion, guys. Okay, so he picked Thor. I think today he is like he don't wanna play seriously. Like he's just like he will play on one side. I think he's tired and
Yes, he said he is feeling sick, some kind of little bit headache. He said headache.
so that's why he's playing with his secondary.
Because
his,
he's here before everyone because he was excited for it because he need that but he's here before everyone.
Before everyone?
Before everyone, he is here in the Elias,
he
right?
was here, okay.
So okay, so he spends. I think he waits 2 or 3 hours for that stream. So maybe that's why he get a little bit tired. It's hard to sit in a place that you are not doing anything. Even it's some maniacs, everyone can play Taken, some good Taken.
nice. That's a bit hope.
Nice.
What I think about Lily, I think Lily is the same. It's the same. Pink is fine. I think it's the same. Lily also don't have a good basic game. She has. I played Lily like 1 or 2 months ago just for fun. I tried her and I was like, what is his game plan? What is her game plan? I couldn't find his game plan. She was like,
Still the
she
same.
doesn't have downfall one, good downfall one.
They actually increase the tracking of her down forward one,
Okay.
but people made a video that it's still the same. I mean, they didn't fit still. Like Nina got are now good down forward one, but Anna also okay, but Lily has the same down forward one.
I see. I think Lily mainly game plan is to sidestep. Like if you wanna play Lily, your mindset would be that you're gonna take sidestep from every move of your opponent
And movement.
And I think she should have something like neutral 4 or maybe not neutral 4, like something 13 frame punish, so she can stop their opponent. Because if you use a lot of homing move, then you can cancel his game plan. You can make an anti game plan of Lily.
Forget about Lily. Just talk about Lars. What is your things on Lars now? Because everyone is saying Lars is super strong. Lars got buffs. He is still the same. What I felt because I'm playing Lars since the release of season 4, and I felt he's still the same. What is your thoughts on that?
About Lars. Okay, so what is the score by the way? We need to update the score and tell about Lars.
Okay, so guys, so the score is 1-0 and ARC looking so good with this Miguel. And Miguel is second main, right? Yes, Miguel is second, and Miguel is also got buffs. And he deserves
not nurse.
buffs. वही कह रहा हूँ, ये buffs ही क्या है? And he deserves to got buffs in this season because in last season he got enormous nerf. Seriously.
Guys, I played Link. You know, I played Link, and I was like, Link is okay. People are like, I don't know. This is just me. You know, this is not everyone. This is me. I think Link is just good. She got a good move.
With a good tracking and -8 on block. Only a character with
Yeah,
only
like she got a move, which is super good. You can say that move is super good, but it doesn't affect too much on her game plan. Like her game plan is the same. So I think Link is still not top tier or top 10 anymore. Like with that move, also she's weak. She's still weak.
Seriously.
She doesn't have good moves on back turn. Guys, this is just my view. Like I played her for like 3 days off stream.
Straight.
Yeah, like 2 days off stream, and I was like, she's the same. I also played with Intaza. You can also, you know, you are like, you can parry her new move, and her new move don't take too much of the health of your opponent. I just my views. So you know, she's just okay.
You know, before that, Lily didn't have that type of move. With a
I'm saying Link.
Link, sorry.
Yeah.
Link didn't have that type of move. I mean, with a single low, you got
Yeah,
your back
regardless-
chance.
regardless of-
yes.
How good the move is.
Yes,
I think
yes.
she's still the same.
I mean, I think in season 4 they are trying to fix characters with their weaknesses. Like Claudio got a new mid move that is a tracking move and mid and save, and after that move he got start burst. You know what this mean? If this mean you don't need to use double powered 4 because he have now a mid move which can actually give him a star burst. Okay, and like they gave a 15 frame punish to Bob because in every part he didn't have the 15 frame punish, right? Go Bob. Yes,
Bob?
yeah.
You're talking about many characters. Like I was.
No. I'm talking about the whole season 4 that they gave the things that character need. You know, मतलब कि उन्होंने वो चीज़ें दी है ना उनको जो उनके पास कमी थी. They trying to fix the weaknesses of characters, and that's what I'm saying.
I think Isharif should publish his book of his thinking, of his mindset. His mindset is very unique.
Sorry.
नहीं मैं सही कह रहा हूँ. I like the thinking process is very unique. You should-
Thank you for the word, but I'm still trying to learn it from you because you have another thinking level. Seriously, when it comes to hey Fate Khan 1 versus all, what's up, bro?
Okay, so Gigas versus what? Miguel, guys.
Wow, you just see?
What is it? How much plus is that?
Did you see that, guys?
कितने प्लस है कितने इसके बाद?
सांस में आने के बाद ज्यादा है.
4 प्लस है 150 प्लस है.
So guys, finally Gigas got buffs. What is your thinking on Gigas? I think he actually got buffs now.
I just got tired of speaking. I don't know why.
Okay.
But let's speak. We are here to speak. I'll video it. And I'll get a plus 6.
सांस में 6 क्या
Oh, सांस plus
सांस में
6.
ज़्यादा 6 प्लस है. I remember Bull, you tell me 2 days ago or 2 days ago. I remember that.
Shall we should play Gigas?
No, it's not my type of.
What is your type?
You know, personally, I'm say I have the same kind of feeling with you that Jun need to be back.
What is your type? This is a question. I don't want to ask.
I think
which character should be back.
Well, Kasim said the truth already, but I think I have offensive style, you know. But I
Okay, now Daniel tells us.
Okay,
Daniel,
Ishari.
what do you think? What is Ishari type?
yes, he plays me, so he knows me.
Yeah. What is, you do you think Ishari should play Gigas?
Or-
If you say that Ishari is gonna play Gigas, and also he gonna cosplay Gigas.
No,
Yes.
no, I don't want to do that. Seriously,
Please do that. People
No,
want that.
I didn't have that a muscle body like Gigas.
You don't need that. We will cover you in some clothes.
Oh, you already made my hairstyle. I remember that.
Yeah.
My hairdresser.
He loves robots.
Oh, see, Bull said the truth
Maybe
because
then-
a friend of
I think
mine.
then Dr. B should be your main.
No, I don't. But seriously, a few days ago, a close friend of mine said to me that you are a weapon player. I said,
Isyari time is like kettle god. Best answer. Yeah. Also, Isyari nickname in Pakistan, guys, is Mini Kettle God.
no, it's not wrong.
Your name is Mini Kettle God. तुम्हें पब्लिसिटी मिल रही है
Publicity ऐसी नहीं चाहिए मुझे. बड़े चाहिए.
यार तुम्हें और किस तरह का वायरल
I don't want to be viral, bro.
Okay. Dr. B is not a robot, bro. Yeah, we know that, but he made a robot. He made life stuff. So that's why it's
जी. Just a minute, guys. जी.
Shari can play Brian. Shari can play Brian. Yeah, he was playing Brian the day after yesterday. The day after yesterday. The day before yesterday. Okay, so what is the score? Okay, it's 1-0. Okay. 2-1. I think I'm gonna go against Hira after that. Let's have fun. I will play some other character. I'm gonna try Ling Xiaoyu, guys. So maybe you should watch my gameplay with Ling Xiaoyu after that. It's gonna be fun. Gigas versus Ling Xiaoyu. Let's do that.
Nice. Here she set the score. The score is now 3-1.
Today is fine. Yes, I know that the day before yesterday.
I was saying that a friend of mine said to me that you are a weapon player. I said why, and he said your main characters are Negan, Noctis, and Elisa, and three of them have weapons.
Why not playing Kunimitsu?
But I said yes. I said to him, I'm not playing Yoshimitsu and Raven. Okay, but he said to me that you are a weapon player. I don't know why.
Maybe you should play Ishari Bimitsu.
Ishari Bimitsu, Spad Mitsu.
Ishari Bimitsu.
No, I don't need to play that.
Okay. Guys, there should be some character like especially designed for Ishari.
No, I don't want to be.
Why? I think
Because
Isha Bimitsu.
Ishari Bimitsu.
No, it's not matching. It's like what should be the name?
And here
I think he should play Gon. Second thing.
but personally saying I'm missing him.
You're missing Gon?
Because about Digimon cartoon. Cartoon,
yeah.
Gon looks like a Digimon. That time, seriously, Agumon, there was a
So
character.
you like Digimon?
No, because that was my favorite cartoon back in my childhood memories.
Yes, today's team is so fun.
Yes.
So please excuse us. It's not serious matches. It's
Yes.
like average matches.
Yes, guys,
And
please.
I'm gonna have fun with Hira. After that, I'm gonna play Ling Xiaoyu.
And I hope it will be a Gigas versus Lin Xiaoyu.
Yeah,
Guys,
it should be- yeah,
it
it's
will
going to
be,
be a-
seriously, it will be a fun.
Yeah, it's going to be fun, guys. Really.
So, there are people are complaining about Kazumi new move. I also tried Kazumi 3 days ago in a match.
Look at the ball, Gary.
Wow.
Nice.
In a match with Tanveer.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
Hello?
Justo hoy que tenía que confesarme. Round 1. Fight.
Okay, so last match of ARC guys. Oh no, Hiram. Ishari is just left, guys. I am just all alone. Okay, nice. It's so hard. Like, if you're not streaming, oh, Izza is here, guys. Izza just came. Wow, Izza is here to support Hira Malik. Thank you so much, Izza, for coming and supporting Hira Malik. Like, it's so hard when you are not playing the game, and then like what you can say about the game. Like, I don't have commentary skills. I was having fun with Ishari, by the way. I'm gonna invite him again. You know, it was so funny. Oh, it's working on. I think it's working Vegas. You can jump. Nice. I think it's the last match. Okay, I'm gonna play against Hira Malik after that. It's the last match. Alpha 4, yeah. Is that? Alright guys, now it's my turn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna